So BayWa r.e is a true global player. We have more than 20 locations globally. We employ more than 1,400 people and we deploy quite a lot of volume. So usually more than 10 gigawatts per annum of solar modules and inverters combined. To describe us, maybe three main keywords. We consider ourselves as one of the pioneers in the industry with almost 35 years of experience. We are definitely one of the ones who offer most of the added value services in the industry. We really want to basically set us apart from our competition, and we definitely have a high focus on quality. So I was personally involved when we selected Huawei as a partner 10 years ago. So I'm first of all highly appreciative of the partnership. 10 years we are already working together very intensively. And most impressive in the beginning was certainly the focus on quality. The spend on revenue for R&D is second to none. It's the highest spend. So we are very much aligned in terms of focusing and believing in the same values, which is quality, R&D, and great service concept. So that was basically the 3 points that impressed me most. So maybe we differentiate ourselves a little bit from the majority of the customers of Huawei because we focus very much on distribution. So we serve residential and C&I markets. So we have so many hundreds, thousands of projects. It's very hard to pick just one out of it. So maybe to mention one is the big one of 8 megawatts right across our headquarters in Tübingen, where we supply the Huawei's inverters. It's certainly the biggest in Tübingen, so that's something which is definitely worth mentioning.